Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to learn about Rust programming, so variable binding and immutability. So we are going to have a variable first. So in our main function, we are going to use let, and then we are going to have our variable such as a, and then we are going to have a column, and then we need to add in the type that I32, that is for 32-bit integer, and we are going to set its value to 10, and then we are going to print the value of this variable with print line. So we can type value is, and then pass in this our variable, and we are going to run our code, and here is the output of our variable. So our variable over here is the immutable. That means we cannot change the value of our variable. For example, if we do a set to 50 now, and we get this error, and you can see cannot assign twice to immutable variable. So for this, we are just going to write uh, mut after this mute root, and now we can try to run our code again. So now it works, but just give us a warning that the initial value was 10, and now we have overwritten that. So the output we get over here. Now we are going to see how to take an input from a user. So we are going to have a variable of type string. So for this, I'm just gonna have another variable, uh, and we are going to name it as my num, and we are going to take input as a string, and we are going to use string colon new, and this will create a dynamic string for us. And then we are going to print the message with a print line. Please enter an integer. And to take an input, we are going to use IO std. So we are going to type here use std IO, and we're going to type IO colon standard in to read a line. We are going to call read a line, and then we need to add a reference to mutable, and this will be our variable my num. And if there is any error, we need to catch that or print the message. We are going to do expect, and here we are going to print the error message and exit the program. So this message will be fail to read input. And we are going to convert the string input into a number. So this will be our variable number of type integer, and we are going to use our my num. We are going to call trim. Trim will remove the leading and trailing white spaces. And then we are going to call parse method to parse the string into integer. And the same way we are going to add the expect. If something goes wrong, please enter, and we are going to print a message. Please enter valid number. And at the end, we are just going to print the value of our number variable. So we can use a print line, and we can do value is, and inside the curly braces, we can pass in our number variable, and we can just run the code now. Need to enter exclamation point here, that's missing. And to get the input, we can use the terminal. We can open the terminal, and I will go to the directory where my code is. So I will do cd, and the path is this is over here. This will be cd home awesome code and awesome code, and then we are gonna move into our Rust directory. And here we are going to use the Rust compiler, and the name of the file that is rust.rs, test.rs. This will be test.rs, and it will compile our file. We just get the warning. So to run the file, we will do dot and / and the name test only, and just hit enter, and we get this prompt. Please enter an integer. So I'm just going to enter 100 there, and the value is 100. So we are able to input the value from the user. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.